Let's see if this is too rotten to race. I have a feeling it might be. We do race rotters, but this Keith Reynolds would turn his nose up at, I think.
No. Keith Reynolds wouldn't turn his nose up at anything.
You haven't seen it? Right. I suggest you prep down there.
Right.
The side of the car and the front of the car in.
Yeah.
First one.
It's slightly moist. Yes.
Have a look install. Stood something in there.
Jesus, do that again. Keep doing that, Steve. Now.
Oh, we'll see it down the line.
To this side first. Now, come this side and look at Steve's side when he does it. We haven't got the good bit yet. Come around here.
You mean there's more?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can finish.
You know what we should do with this, Al?
Yeah, I know what we should do. Drop Mondeo on it.
I was thinking drop this on a Mondeo.
Oh yeah, we should do that. We've got a Mondeo. Right, Steve, wiggle that side again. Have a little look, see what's connected.
Absolutely nothing. Piece of tin at the top.
Okay, now have a look down here. Down here. You can hold that light just there.
Where's down here? Down there.
Bottom of the pillar.
Oh yeah.
Alright, watch.
Ah.
And on this side perhaps.
No, Keith Reynolds would race this. You'd love it.
I wouldn't let him. Look at that! Oh!
My good God.
Well, it's gone.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah, what floor?
Hey, we've got a gull wing.
Gull wing with a pillar and all.
It's the new Mercedes.
The boot's not bad actually. The boot wasn't bad.
The boot's all pop-riveted alloy. All those plates you see. Kick that plate again, Steve.
Yeah.
Right, now, grab that quarter, the quarter panel from the front. Let's have a look at this bit.
Oh yeah, this.
Do you stand here or
Yeah,
somewhere
put it
else?
there.
Ah.
And this
That's
side.
only connected just there.
Now to the front, over the bonnet.
Does this pillar do the same?
No,
That one's quite solid.
Yeah, we welded it. We have to weld everything to that pillar.
Right, if you get hold of this wing.
Hold on.
There's something sexual about that, I'll tell you what. Keep going, Ethan. We'll get it slightly around. Go on. The other way. It's a bloody clown car, is what it is.
Oh man, wouldn't that be funny? Just to lodge everything together, go out in the field, blow a Mondeo up with it, and everything fall off it.
Blow up a Mondeo with it. You get in it. We've tried. Look at where the whole.
I'd do a. I wouldn't. Maybe not a full. Yep.
The plan is, this Majestic, unfortunately, far too rotten to race. That smoky old Frontera there.
This side.
Come around this side. Let's line it up. Hopefully, we'll drive straight through it. It is that rotten.
If it'll make.
What other car you got?
That is super fast. Woo!
Wow, that was good. That was like crashing into a sponge.
The steering wheel.
I know. Look at the moon. That is proper staying there. Oh, it's like the steering wheels come out the windscreen. That's proper wedge.
Ain't doing that though, is it?